We're told that OAB is a triangle, M is the midpoint of OA, N is the midpoint of OB. We're told that O to M is the vector M, and we're told O to N is the vector N. We need to show that AB is parallel to MN. So we're going to need to work out the vector AB, and we're going to need to work out the vector MN, and show that they are multiples of each other. That's how we know that they are parallel. So, let's work out M to N first. That's pretty easy. M to N looks like this, from here to here. So I can see to go from M to N, that's the same thing as me going from M to O, and then O to N. So going from here to here is the same as me going from here to here and then there to there. So I know that M to O, well, that's going in the opposite direction to the vector M here, but it's equal in size. So from here to here will be minus M. It's the same length, but opposite direction, so minus M. Vector O to N, well, that is just vector N. So that is my vector Mn. I now want to work out vector AB and try and show that it is a multiple of this, maybe 2 lots of this or 3 lots of this, something like that. So AB, well, A to B, I can think of that as being the same as A to O plus O to B. A to O, well, I know that O to M is vector M, and I know that M is the midpoint. Therefore, M to A will be M as well. If this is the midpoint and this is a straight line, then this vector here will be exactly the same as this vector here, because this is equal in length to this and in the same direction. So if that is M and that is M, then A to O would be 2M with a negative, because it is equal in length to 2M, but it is in the opposite direction, so minus 2M. So I can replace vector AO with minus 2M. O to B, from here to here, well, again, by the same logic, I know that O to N is vector N. Therefore, N to B is also going to be vector N, because it is equal in length to this, because N is the midpoint, and in the same direction. So this will be the same as this. Therefore, vector OB will be 2N. And I can see clearly now that the vector AB is twice vector MN, this is twice as big as this, therefore they are in the same direction, so therefore they are parallel.